Ever slice a tomato and it explodes like a crime scene? YEAH. We've all been there. But here's the secret: knife skills aren't magic, they're muscle memory. And once you master them, you'll slice like a pro, cook faster, and actually look cool doing it. Let's crank this up. First rule: keep that knife sharp. Dull blades are traitors. They slip, they fight back, and next thing you know, you're reaching for a band-aid. A sharp knife is safer, cleaner, smoother. It's like upgrading from a lawnmower to a lawnmower now. Grip it right. Hold it like a handshake firm, but not like you're trying to choke it out. Relax your wrist. Confidence is everything here. You're in control, not the tomato cutting board. Make sure it's solid. No wobbly nonsense. Think of it as your arena, your cutting coliseum. Stability means precision. Precision means fewer accidents. Win-win. Then comes the claw. Curl those fingers in on your guide hand. Keep those fingertips safe, tucked back like they're on vacation. Your knife should glide, not hack. Smooth, steady, like music in motion. Chop, dice, slice, doesn't matter. Let the rhythm carry you. Don't rush. You're not in a competition. Each motion should feel natural, like conducting an orchestra with a steel baton. You'll find your flow soon enough. And speaking of flow, rock that knife. Tip stays down. Handle rises and falls. Rocking motion. Smooth, hypnotic, powerful. It's not about brute force, it's about finesse. The blade should work for you, not the other way around. Here's another pro: move clean as you go. Wipe the blade between tasks. It keeps everything neat and prevents slips. Plus, you'll look like you actually know what you're doing. Style points count. Now, let's talk about why knife skills really matter. You'll cook faster, less time hacking, more time eating. You'll stay safe, no dull blade disasters, and your food, it'll look gorgeous. Even if it's just stir-fry, it'll feel like a Food Network moment. But here's the twist: knife skills go beyond the kitchen. Out camping, you'll prep firewood and dinner like a legend. Need to open something impossible? That blade's your best buddy. And in an emergency, precision and calm make all the difference. So yeah, it's not just about cooking, it's about confidence. Knife mastery makes you efficient, focused, capable. You stop fearing the tool and start commanding it. Go grab that chef's knife that's been hiding since taco night. Feel the weight. Get used to the balance. Practice a few slices. Even if your first cuts look like a toddler's art project, who cares? Every chop brings progress. Before long, you won't just be cutting vegetables, you'll be carving out confidence. And maybe, just maybe, you'll start to enjoy the art of it all. So go on, sharpen that blade, channel your inner kitchen ninja, and show that tomato who's boss. Because in your kitchen, you're the master of the knife.